Good day guys! So, tapos na yung birthday ni Papa ko. And today, dumating na yung FedEx natin. Pagod ako ah. So, this is an own batch. So, ayan. So, anyways, i-unbox na natin para makita na natin yung laman niya. Ganito pala. Then, baba. Hingingal ko guys. Okay. Tumakbo kasi ako kanina eh. We're gonna open it. Ayan pala, may another day, another bulk tayo. Open natin later yan. Para umaba lang yung video. Grabe naman. Grabe naman yung pagkaka-packaging dito. Ayaw magpabukas guys. So, dumating siya last week. Ngayon, lang siya dumating kasi daw naka-economy. So, tumambay ito sa matagal sa sa FedEx ayusin ko na lang. Ito yung gagamitin kong pang ship ito yung sa mga client natin eh. Yan. Grabe. So, so, saan ba yung yung grades? Pag ganito dapat. No, okay, let's do it. So this is the pangit pa lang may ilaw. Ayan. Say your spide ups. Anyways, let's check the grades. PSA 10 Luffy. So remember guys, this is an own batch. So if you wanted to submit cards, you can PM me. Grabe, ang ganda. So sa lahat ng One Piece talaga, ito na yung gamit nilang slabs. Mas maganda siya kaysa sa Pokemon. And ayan, PSA 10 agad. PSA 10 again. Manga Luffy from EBO2 PSA 10. Bubble Mew PSA 10. So nice guys. Green Ninja PSA 10. Magikarp guys, Magikarp PSA 10. Pikachu PSA 10. Gold Pikachu from Terastal Festival PSA 10. Umbreon from Terastal PSA 10. Another PSA 10. So this batch is so great. PSA 10 Arceus. PSA 10. Ganda ah. Then this one is underrated. This Zoroark Special Art Rare. Ang ganda. Roaring Moon PSA 10 from Prismatic Evolution. Charizard EX from Obsidian Flames PSA 10. Then Pinsir PSA 7. So you know this, guys. This one is I pulled the my father pulled this. So that's mine. Pokeball from a tin. And Green Ninja EX PSA 10. So nice, guys. And this one is my mother pulled the Terapagos EX from Prismatic Evolution. And lastly, the PSA 9. So that's all, guys. And yeah, we're gonna open 2 packs first for the another episode of Another Day, Another Box. So hopefully we get something good. Last time we opened, I don't know, I forgot. And nothing. Last 2 packs. EX. We got an EX. Wow. Damn it. We got an EX. So, teka, pawisan ako, guys, eh. Anyways, yan. Ganito natin bibidyoan yung ating another Prisma Twilight Masquerade. Welcome to another episode of Another Day, Another Box. So we bought this from tsaka. Ayan. Ayan. So hopefully we get something good here. Let's go, guys. Carmine and Zapdos. Last 2. Perry. Then Olgarpon and Sinistra EX. Okay, last pack. This one is from the display case. Hoping for a Green Ninja. Green Ninja, where are you, Green Ninja? So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So ayun, guys. So if you wanna submit cards to PSA, you can contact me. Just 2 guys, 2 only. And if you are member, magiging 2K na lang yata or 1.9 yung membership. Ay, yung ano. Anyways, guys, see you in the next video. That's all, guys. Bye-bye. So, guys, papaship na natin. Hindi na natin papatagalin dito para bibidyo na rin natin. So, tinape ko na, guys. And pupunta na tayong LBC para pa-ship agad to. Kasi last week pa dapat to, eh. Ngayon lang dumating, eh. Anyways, guys, let's go. Samahan nyo ako, LBC.